Drive a brighter future, school bus driver opportunity. Tired of the same old grind? Discover a rewarding career where you make a real difference in children's lives. First Student is hiring school bus drivers in Toronto, Canada. No experience is necessary. We provide comprehensive training. Enjoy additional hours with charter route opportunities, and bring your child along with our ride-along program. Best of all, no nights or weekends are required unless you choose. As a school bus driver, you'll ensure students safe transportation to and from school. You'll use industry-leading technology to navigate routes and conduct vehicle inspections. You'll also provide support to students, assisting them with boarding and exiting the bus. You need good communication skills, be at least 21 years old, and have a valid driver's license for at least 1 year. Pass a medical examination and background check. First Student values diversity and inclusion. We encourage all qualified applicants to apply. Ready to drive a brighter future? Apply now through the link below and join our team.